Ever feel like your apartment is running out of space way too fast? In this video, we're counting down 10 must-have products that can help you save space, stay organized, and make everyday life a lot more comfortable. Whether you're in a tiny studio or just want a cleaner setup, there's something here for every budget. And as always, you'll find all the updated links in the description below. Starting off the list at number 10, we have this foldable wall-mounted desk. And honestly, this is one of those products that makes a tiny apartment feel way more functional without taking over your space. During the day, it works perfectly as a compact workstation for your laptop, coffee, or even quick meals. And when you're done, you can simply fold it flat against the wall in seconds. That's a huge advantage if you live in a studio apartment, dorm room, or any place where every inch matters. It supports up to 100 pounds, so it feels surprisingly sturdy for something this compact. And the rustic wood finish also helps it blend nicely into most modern setups. It's especially useful for people working from home who don't want a bulky desk permanently sitting in the middle of the room. Sure, the surface area is a bit limited for larger setups, but for everyday use, it's a smart space-saving solution that easily earns a spot on this list. Coming in at number 9, we have these underbed storage containers, and this is exactly the kind of product that can instantly make a small apartment feel less cluttered without requiring any extra furniture. Instead of wasting all that empty space under your bed, you can use it to neatly store clothes, shoes, blankets, or seasonal items that normally take over your closet. The transparent top is a really practical touch because you can quickly see what's inside without opening everything, and the built-in wheels make sliding them in and out surprisingly easy. This is especially helpful for apartments with limited closet space or shared rooms where organization becomes a daily challenge. They also help keep items protected from dust, while making your room look cleaner and more organized overall. Of course, they work best with beds that have decent clearance underneath, but if you do have the space, these containers are an easy and affordable way to maximize storage without making your apartment feel crowded. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. At number 8, we have this magnetic storage rack system, and this is one of those simple apartment upgrades that instantly frees up space without requiring any drilling or complicated installation. It attaches directly to the side of your washing machine or fridge using strong magnets, turning unused vertical space into practical storage for detergents, cleaning supplies, kitchen items, or everyday essentials. In smaller apartments, keeping countertops clear can make the entire place feel cleaner and less stressful, and that's exactly where this product shines. The extra hooks are also surprisingly useful for hanging brushes, towels, or reusable bags so everything stays within reach instead of scattered around the room. It's especially great for laundry corners, compact kitchens, or bathrooms where storage is always limited. Obviously, it works best on metal surfaces, but if you have a washer, dryer, or fridge with magnetic sides, this is an easy way to add organization without sacrificing any floor space at all. Halfway through the list at number 7, we have this over-the-door organizer. And if your apartment constantly feels short on storage, this thing can seriously make a difference. Instead of taking up valuable floor or closet space, it uses the back of your door to create multiple extra compartments for clothes, snacks, toiletries, shoes, cleaning supplies, or basically anything that tends to create clutter around the apartment. What makes it so useful is how flexible it is. Depending on your needs, you can hang it in a bedroom, bathroom, pantry, laundry room, or even inside a closet to instantly organize smaller items that normally get lost everywhere. The side pockets are also great for quick access essentials, which makes everyday routines a little easier. Obviously, it's not meant for super heavy objects, but for lightweight storage and organization, it's one of the easiest ways to maximize unused space in a small apartment without spending a fortune or installing shelves. In 6th place, we have this storage ottoman bench, and this is the kind of furniture that works especially well in small apartments because it solves multiple problems at the same time. It gives you a comfortable extra seat, a place to rest your feet, and hidden storage for blankets, clothes, books, or anything that usually creates visual clutter around the room. That hidden storage makes a huge difference in compact spaces because it helps keep your apartment looking cleaner and more organized without adding bulky cabinets everywhere. It also works great at the end of a bed, in a living room, or even near the entrance for shoes and bags. The padded top gives it a more premium feel, so it blends naturally into most modern setups instead of looking like basic storage furniture. Sure, it's not designed for extremely heavy-duty use, but for everyday apartment living, it's one of the smartest ways to combine comfort, style, and extra storage without wasting valuable space. At number 5, we have this foldable laundry hamper. And while it might seem simple at first, it's actually one of those small apartment essentials that helps keep your space looking cleaner with almost no effort. Laundry piles can make even a tidy apartment feel messy and cramped, so having a dedicated basket with a slim vertical design is a huge advantage when floor space is limited. What's really nice here is that it holds a surprisingly large amount of clothes while still fitting neatly into corners, closets, or tight bathroom spaces. The lid also helps hide dirty laundry completely, which instantly makes the room feel more organized and less chaotic. Plus, the removable inner bag makes carrying clothes to the laundry room much easier, especially in apartment buildings. It's lightweight, collapsible, and easy to move around when needed. Sure, it's not meant for super heavy loads every single day, but for everyday apartment living, it's a clean and practical solution that saves space while keeping clutter under control. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. At number 4, we have this clip-on bedside shelf, and this is honestly a lifesaver for anyone living in a small apartment, dorm room, or bedroom where there's barely enough space for a traditional nightstand. Instead of adding another piece of furniture that takes up floor space, this shelf attaches directly to your bed frame and gives you an easy spot for your phone, coffee, glasses, books, charger, or other essentials you always want within reach. It may look simple, but once you start using it every day, it quickly becomes one of those products you wonder how you lived without. The built-in cup holder is also a smart touch because it helps prevent accidental spills while keeping everything organized in one place. It's especially useful for loft beds, bunk beds, or compact rooms where every inch matters. Of course, it won't replace a full-size nightstand for heavy storage, but for convenience and space-saving functionality, it's a surprisingly smart upgrade for smaller living spaces. Coming in at number 3, we have this expandable dish drying rack, and if you've ever struggled with limited counter space in a small apartment kitchen, this product makes everyday cooking and cleaning feel much more manageable. Instead of dishes piling up around the sink and making the kitchen look cluttered, this rack keeps everything organized in one compact area while allowing water to drain directly into the sink. What really makes it stand out is the smart layout with dedicated sections for plates, pots, utensils, knives, and glasses, so everything dries faster and stays easier to access. The expandable design is also a big advantage because you can adjust it depending on how much space you actually have available. It's especially useful for apartments without dishwashers, where countertop organization becomes really important. Sure, larger families might still want something bigger, but for studios, condos, or compact kitchens, this rack does an excellent job of maximizing space while keeping the kitchen cleaner and more functional every single day. In second place, we have this cable management box, and this may not sound exciting at first, but it can completely change how clean and organized a small apartment feels. Loose cables, power strips, and chargers scattered around the floor instantly make a room look messy, especially in compact spaces where everything is more visible. This box neatly hides all those tangled cords in one place, while still allowing easy access whenever you need to plug something in. It's perfect for living rooms, home office setups, gaming stations, or even bedside charging areas where cables tend to pile up fast. The ventilated design also helps reduce heat buildup, which is a nice bonus for safety and long-term use. What really makes this useful is how quickly it improves the overall look of a space without requiring any complicated setup at all. Sure, it's a simple product, but sometimes the smallest upgrades make the biggest visual difference, and this is one of those apartment essentials that instantly makes your setup feel cleaner, calmer, and way more organized. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, we have these space-saving hangers. And for small apartments, this is honestly one of the most effective storage upgrades you can make for almost no money. Closet space disappears incredibly fast, especially in studios or shared apartments, but these hangers let you organize multiple pairs of pants, jeans, scarves, or even towels vertically, while using a fraction of the space of regular hangers. That means you can fit significantly more clothing into the same closet without everything looking cramped or impossible to find. What makes them especially useful is how simple they are to use. There's no installation, no tools, and no complicated setup. You just hang them normally and instantly free up room for the rest of your clothes. They're also great for keeping outfits more visible and organized instead of stacking everything in drawers where items get forgotten. Sure, they work best with lightweight to medium weight clothing, but for maximizing closet space in a small apartment, this is easily one of the smartest and most practical products on the entire list.